Hey guys, welcome back. It's Tim again from Wogdad's Cooking and Food Reviews. Today we're going to do ginger and garlic prawn skewers on stir-fried noodles. Okay, so what I've done, guys, is I've marinated these prawns with some garlic and ginger, and I'll let them sit for about half an hour. So I've skewered them up, so they're ready to go. We'll just place them there. So what I've done is I've got 4 packets of mi-goreng noodles ready. So we're going to use mi-goreng because it's easy and it's cheap. So I'm trying to show you the easiest way to save money and how to get a good product and cook something really nice. So there's 4 packets there. Now you don't want to boil them too much because you don't want them too soft. Otherwise they're going to go all mushy and yucky inside. Alright, also guys, what I'll do is I'll just put this pan on. I'm going to do the prawns last. I'll do the stir-fry noodles first, and then we'll do the prawns because the prawns aren't going to take long. Right, so what I've done is I've chopped up 1 large white onion and 3/4 of a green capsicum. So we're going to toss them in the pan, fry that up. Also I've got some shallots, so we'll chuck them in as well. I've got a bunch of broccolini. So what I've done is I've pre-blanched them to soften them up just a touch, not too much because you want a bit of crispness in them as well. Alright, we're going to use some garlic and some ginger. Okay, and I've also got some sweet chili to top it up with, and some ABC sweet soy sauce ketchup menace. So we'll be putting some of that in there as well. And what I've also got is I've opened up a packet of Lee Kum Kee Cantonese style sauce. So we're going to chuck that through the noodles as well, just to boost up the flavour a little bit. Okay, so we'll just let that warm up. That's not going to take long. I've got the wok ready, as you can see. Hope everyone's alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed my videos. Hope you enjoyed what I did this morning. It was strange, but it tasted really, really nice, guys. The party pie toasty with the cheese and everything, that was really, really nice. I can actually taste the flavour in my mouth still. Anyway, long story short, we'll just let that wok heat up. I won't be too long. I'm just going to grab a beer, guys, and I'm going to have a beer while I cook because it's Sunday. I haven't had a Sunday off in a long time, so I'm looking forward to enjoying it. I was actually going to go jump in the pool again today, but outside it's like bloody 36 degrees. It feels like 40 though, so I didn't go. Anyway, what I'll do is I'll chuck our capsicum and onion in the pan. You hear that sizzling away already. Now we want a bit of crunchiness in everything. And thank you for the comments, guys. I really, really appreciate it. And the new subscribers as well. It's really great to have you aboard. I hope you're enjoying all my videos, guys. Alright, so we're going to just let that fry a little bit. Cheers, guys. All the best. Alright, so while that's happening, what I might do is I'll chuck a bit of garlic in the pan. There's a teaspoon. Oops. Drop the lid. And I just had a sip of the beer and I'm already bloody losing my stuff. What's going on? Imagine had a couple of beers. Let the whole place be in a mess. Alright, so teaspoon of ginger, chuck that in. Maybe I'm excited, guys, because I'm cooking for you again. Or maybe I'm excited it's a Sunday, who knows? I got a Sunday off. I'll toss that through. Smell that beautiful flavour of the ginger and the garlic. I'm just going to put that side on too, just to reheat that. Like, not to reheat it, but just to keep it going. Get it started. And go from there. There's the prawns again, guys. Look at that. Nice, beautiful, and tasty, and it's going to be actually better once I cook it. Yeah, I wasn't sure what to cook, guys. I couldn't work it out. I was thinking, oh, I'll go to the shops, I'll try and purchase some different products, try and make something else, and I thought, you know what, I've got all these ingredients at home. I don't need to. I could just whip something up, create something to show you guys that you really don't need to spend a lot of money to be able to create something. Right, so pretty much that's good. So next I'm going to chuck our shallots in. Yep, lots of capsicum. Chuck it back in there. Right, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add our Cantonese sauce, guys. Okay? Chuck it in there. It smells so nice. Toss that through. What I'm going to do is just going to add a touch of water to that one. Not too much. Because I want that sauce through there. I don't want it too dry. Next what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup menace. Just to boost the flavour up a bit more. Not that it needs it. A touch of sweet chilli sauce. Extra flavour. It's all about taste and flavour. And shortly we're going to add our broccolini, and then our noodles, and then well, the pan's going to be ready. So what I'll do is I'm just going to whack the prawns on there to get that started. I'm actually hungry. The last time I ate was when I did that meat party pie toasty. Put that aside. I'll just show you the veggies, guys. That's what it looks like so far. The prawns are cooking. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to toss the broccolini in. Smells so good. Just going to add a touch more water, guys, to that one. To get that sauce happening. I can smell the prawns cooking through. It smells really, really good. I'll have a little plate up and I'll taste it. Alright, now I'm going to toss the, actually I'll twist these around first, the prawns, so then I'm going to swap it over. I'm just going to chuck our noodles in there now. What I've done, guys, I've pre-cooked the noodles. Alright, I've strained it, got rid of all that starch. I've cooled them down with cold water, and then I've put a little bit of oil through it too, just so it doesn't stick. Alright, so that way you've got them all separated like this. Just chuck your noodles in there. Right now, guys, a packet of these noodles costs $2.75. A little bit of capsicum, onion, a couple of sauces, some prawns. Total, this cost me about, like, no rubbish, about $15. And it's going to feed 4 people. So what's that? $7.50 divided by 2. That's $3.75 each. And you can feed that many people. You know what I mean? You don't need to spend big bucks. Look at this, heaps of noodles. I mean, that'll probably just be enough for me, but it's alright, I promise I'll share. Right, so toss that through. You can hear the prawns like crackling away. So I really don't know what to call this, guys, because I made this up again like usual, so maybe I'll call it, I don't know, Wogdad's Cantonese style noodles with garlic and ginger prawns. Yeah, might as well. And this isn't going to take very long, it's pretty much nearly ready anyway. I'll just show you the noodles, guys, and then the prawns are nearly ready. I'm just going to pull that aside. There's our noodles, look at that, how beautiful that is. Wow, restaurant style. Right, what I'm going to do is going to flip these over, and I'll put the prawns here. Here's our prawn skewers, guys. They're nearly ready. I just got that on high heat, that's all. Wow, that looks amazing. It smells absolutely amazing as well at the same time. I've always been like this, guys, even though back in the day when I was a chef as well, I used to just make stuff up, create it. I used to have people come visit me all the way from Sydney up to the Hunter Valley. That's where I used to work, and I run a couple of big resorts there and work there. I started from the bottom, but I built my way up. Anyway, then I opened my own restaurant because I had a lot of passion for what I was doing. Yeah, and then just got into a whole lot of new industries down the track. I love it. Right, so pretty much these noodles are ready. I'm going to switch this off and we'll do a bit of a plate up and test a taste test. Nearly ready. I hope you're enjoying the music in the background. I've got some sort of weird music on the TV. Right, while that's happening, I'm just going to plate up. We'll start plating up. That looks really, really good, eh? Rightio. Whoa, that's hot. I spare my finger. Doesn't matter, it's worth it for you guys. Cheers. I'm going to turn it off too, that's pretty much ready, guys. And I'll plate up. There we go, guys. That's ready. Another treat from Wog Dad. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. What do you reckon? Looks good, doesn't it? Right, let's have a bit of a taste test. Alright, so what I'll do, guys, I'm just going to use a little plate. You can hear those prawns still popping in the background. Right. There's mine. Right, so what we'll do first, we'll have a bit of a try of the noodles, just to make sure I cooked them right, you know what I mean? I can smell that. Wow. A bit more. You can taste the noodles, the Cantonese style sauce, the sweet chili, the capsicum, the broccolini, the onions, the garlic, the ginger, all through those noodles. So it tastes absolutely amazing. A bit more, there we go. Prawns, guys. Got to try the garlic and ginger prawns. Now I've left the tails on because everyone knows I like to hold it. Wow. They are really, really good. I'm not just saying it because I made it, but they are good, I'm telling you. And the texture is absolutely amazing. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to get a prawn. Just take the tail off. I'm just going to get a bit of noodles with the broccolini. I'll just show you. Prawns, noodles, get a bit of a twist. So we get a bit of everything. We'll have our last taste. That nearly went the wrong way. Because you know why? I got greedy. And it was so tasty. I put so much in my mouth, I nearly bloody choked on the bloody thing. Anyway guys, I'm just kidding anyway. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following. Don't forget to hit the like, share button. Don't forget to hit the bell for further notifications. And I really, really appreciate you guys. I've got a big surprise coming about in a week or so. It's not far off. So keep an eye out for my videos. Subscribe so you can see what I'm going to be doing next. And it's going to be really good and adventurous, guys. Trust me. Alright guys, take care. Love you all. All the best, man. Bye.